Hi there, Laura Morris here with another AWeber video, and this one is going to be on setting up your autoresponder letters and getting them loaded into your account properly and getting all of your links working so that you can get all of your letters for your Empower Network marketing all smooth and running so you can get going on your marketing, okay? So let's get logged into your AWeber account. And I'm working on the account of one of my team partners here, so I'm just going to log into her account. And so there we are in her account. And you should have been furnished with a code, and the code will be on this site below this video. Most likely, that's where we're going to put it. And this is a list of letters that have been pre-approved for you. They're pre-written. They are have been shown to work. They're fabulous letters that convert. They are wonderful, and in the future when you upgrade into the 15K formula, you'll be shown how to write additional letters that will be more personalized to you. You'll be shown how to communicate with your readers and how to add little touches and how to insert things like photos and how to do daily broadcasts and things like this. And so what we're going to be showing you today is how to begin doing a little bit of that, but not a whole lot, just the start of that. So first we're going to start with loading the letters in. So you take the code that's been provided for you, and so you want to copy that code, and I've gone ahead and copied that code in. I believe I did. And so I'm going to go into the list name here, and so click on the list, and then I'm going to select right here follow-up messages. And as you can see, there's no messages in here, and there shouldn't be any under your list name. If you go into the list name under follow-up messages, there should be no messages in there. And then you want to go into, you'll see here where it says enable campaign sharing. Don't worry about that box. It has nothing to do with you at this point. Just leave it alone, okay? You go to the next box here that says use a predefined campaign by entering the campaign code. So right here you're going to enter the code that was given to you, and then you're going to click load campaign, and then it's going to wait and go round for a minute, and then it's going to load in some messages for you, and it takes a few seconds to load them in. They are. Voila! How about that, huh? Okay, and then what you're going to do after you have your messages in here, and there will be anywhere from, the ones that we give you, anywhere from 25 to 35 messages, depending on what we end up giving you in the code that's going to be below this video, because we're working on that right now for you, and we want to give you the very best. So it's going to be awesome, what we decide on that's from the finished product here. But the messages that are in here right now are excellent. They've been converting wonderfully well. So let's just go into an example here of how you would edit a letter. So you click on the title of the letter, and then here you'll see the message open up. And you just, if your list is not completely set up, you're going to see this wizard down in the bottom here. If it's not completely set up, you're going to get these reminder messages. So just close that for right now, and it'll come back and bug you. Believe me, it will, until you get it completely set up. So let's go in here and let's show you some of the things that it's going to tell you that you're going to find about setting it up. Okay. Now here is a link that's called here's the sign up page. Okay, here's the first link. So what you want to do, and this is going to be the process for every single letter, okay? You're going to open up what's called Notepad, and everyone should have Notepad on their their tray on the bottom of their computer here. If you don't have Notepad, you can just go on the internet and search for Notepad. It's a very common program. You might have something similar, like I have something called Sticky Notes. They're just a very common program that you can get that's just very simple, just notes that you can put on your computer. And all it is just something that you can keep right on your desktop to paste in text. That's all it is. It's not word processor. It's not, it doesn't do anything except allow you to just keep text on your desktop. That's all it's for, okay? And what you want to do is you want to take your most common links that you're going to be using, your affiliate links that you got from your Empower Network back office, like your join link, your commission loophole link, your a couple of your other links that you know are the most common ones to the frequently asked questions page, maybe a few of the other ones, and you want to paste them into this text document so that you have them handy and ready to go. And then you want to scroll down and just leave some room here on your text document. Okay? And you're just going to use this kind of like just like you would use a scratch pad, any old scratch pad. Okay? Then what you're going to do is when you come to the first on the beginning of the letter, it says, "Hey, Laura Morris" here. So you want to back that out and you want to put in your name. So let's say this lady's name is Caitlin, so I'm going to put in Caitlin for her name. And then we're going to go down here to here's the sign up page. But first what I'm going to do is go down to the preview of the letter, which is down at the very bottom. And I'm going to preview the letter. And I'm going to right click on it. I'm going to open the link in a new tab up here. And I'm going to see where does this link go to. Okay, so let's do that again. So here's the preview of the letter. I right clicked on it, open it in a new tab with your left click button. Then I'm going to minimize this so that you guys can see where it went. Then right here is where the page is. Okay, so I'm going to copy this link. Oh no, don't tell me while I'm recording I can't copy. Oh no. Oh dear. We've run into an issue. Okay, let me try something else here. Okay, it's the join. Okay, so it's the weirdmarketingtips.com join. Okay, so I happen to have been doing this earlier today, so I know that this is the matching link to the join link. So that is the one that I'm going to put into the letter when I edit it. Okay, so we're going to copy that link, but I have verified that that was the one that goes in there. Okay, so we're going to minimize the preview because we're going to use it again. Then we're going to go back to edit your message. Then this is the most important part here, right here. We're going to take our delete key and we are going to remember what it said. Here's the sign up page. Delete the link. Okay? Then we're going to come up one line above it and type in, here's the sign up page. Okay? Then we're going to highlight it, go to the link insertion button right up there. Then we're going to insert the URL right in that little box right there. There's Caitlin's link right there. And then click insert. And there's our link Then we're going to hit enter and move it back down there. Now if I did that too fast for you, you could always pause the video and go back. And I'm going to do it again for you so you can see it again. Okay? So we're going to go to the preview of the note. We're going to scroll down here. We're going to right click on this, see where it goes. Goes to the same place. So we're going over to our note here, just verifying it's Weird Marketing Tips, join PHP ID, and then that's my username, so it's weirdmarketingtips.com, join PHP, and it's Caitlin's username, so we're going to copy. Then we're going to go over to the editor again. We are going to verify what it says, join the Empower Network here. We're going to remove the link entirely. Get rid of the link, okay? Then we're going to backspace up one line. Then we're going to type in join the Empower Network now. Okay? Then we're going to highlight it. Then we're going to click on this little world up here. Then we're going to insert the link right there. Then we're going to click insert. Then we can move it down. Whoops. Ooh, there we go. Okay. Then we're going to change it to Caitlin Hill signature. We're going to get rid of my picture. If there is a photo in there, we're going to open the link in a new tab. And there's the same link behind that photo. So the way that you deal with photos is the same way. So you're going to, I discovered this after a lot of trial and error. You have to remove the link behind the photo so that there is no hyperlink there whatsoever. And then you need to save the photo, save the message completely. Click Save Message so that all that's there is a photo. Save message, then go back into your message again. Then right click on your message, then insert edit hyperlink. Click on that, left click on it. Then you can take your link from your notepad, copy, and put it in here. So when the person clicks on the picture, if they were to click on the picture, which happens a lot, they will go to your Empower Network page. Now you want to do the same thing here with the $25 photo. Same thing. But you need to do it individually. So you're going to remove the link, and you're going to scroll down, save message, and then you're going to come back and open the message up again, and then come in, and then you're going to insert hyperlink and then add it in here, and then save it, insert, and then save message. And it takes a few times on each message, but you just have to keep reminding yourself over and over again that you're doing this once and that this is a job that will be done one time. and it's done forever. So you just have to look at it like that these emails are worth thousands of dollars to you. They literally are. And if you can keep that in mind, these are, this is like an ATM machine. Think of it as you're building yourself a golden ATM machine that's going to spit out multiple 25s, multiple hundreds, multiple thousands. And if you can just keep that in mind, you won't mind changing these links, okay? So let's see, what else do I need to show you? Okay, when you, we want to remove my photo, of course. We want to change the signature down here to, whoops, to Caitlin Hill. And then we want to go down here to, this is the text version of the, because some people don't have HTML emails. I think we'll just say Caitlin here. And then you want to go through to find each link. You want to back out just the username, not the whole link, just the username, and insert your username on the end of each link. And when you get good at this, it won't take you very long at all. Now we'll go in and do one more message so that you really have the hang of it here. Let's pick another one here. Did you find me on Craigslist? Okay, so here's one that says video. So here's the word video. So let's open up the message down below. Preview, and let's test the video and see where it goes. So it goes to the Empower Network page. So we can copy that and put that in our little text editor page. I think I already have that one, but let's just, and let's take out my, pretty sure I already have that one, but okay. And then let's copy that. And then come back up here. And then we're going to remove the word video. Remove it completely. Okay? And then we're going to go down one line. We're going to type in the word video in all caps. Highlight it. Click on the world up here. And then paste in our link. Okay? And then insert. And then I always bold it. I figure it stands out just that much more. And I think I'll add the words watch. Whoops. Watch this. And then video. So now you know that that's your link there. Okay? And then let's come down here and do the same thing here. Now this is a different video. Whoops. This is a different video. Let's look at our preview here. Let's open it in a new tab. This is the proof video.
Hey guys, awesome. Tony Rush here. This is a very fast video. Someone asked me, they said, Tony,
so, and we have that one right here. It's the proof video. So let's copy. And then we go back up here to our message. And then we are going to I know I'm being extra careful, guys, but I've had experience with trying to get rid of these links, and it's just been kind of tricky. So here's video proof. Add your link. Insert, bold it, and then get rid of the other link. And then you can insert it, and then you can backspace, and there you go. There's your link in there. And let's do one more so you're sure that you know how to do it. Let's see where this one goes. Take action now. Preview. And it goes to your Join tab. Okay. So here's our join right here. Copy. Okay. So we go back to our message editor. Get rid of it. Take action now, all caps. Highlight it. Paste it in there. Insert. Bold it. And then put it back. Okay? Then we're going to change the signature. And Caitlin has her own URL, joincaitlin.com. I suggest that you buy something like that. You don't have to, but for 1 year, it's branded to you. It's an extra little thing that you can do. And we bought joinlarryandlaura.com for $8.99 for the year, something like that. So you can $8.99, and you can buy something like that, and it just makes it very cool. And so you can do something like that, and you know, it really makes it. Oh, this is for her blog. Oh. No, this is not for her join page. Sorry, she doesn't have one for her join page. So that would not work. Let's see, for her blog, we have to put her blog address in, which is just http:// Okay, and then you want to put in the you want to just edit the links in here. I think we got everything. Okay. And then you just save your message. And that's it. If you want to test your letter to make sure that it is going to you and everything is correct, you send yourself the letter. And all you do to do that is you click on this test button right here, and then you send yourself each letter, and it says letter number 1, letter number 2, etc., all the way down the line. I recommend you send yourself one of each letter, and if you have to make any corrections, you make the corrections, send it to yourself again. And test out every single link in every single letter before you walk away from the whole thing and say, okay, it's perfect. Make sure that every link in every letter works. Now, there is no reason why this should not be fine. There is nothing to panic about with this. Every link within every letter should work perfectly fine. As long as you remove the links in these letters first, and you go ahead and put in the text and then your own link, and as long as you don't try to change the existing links that are in there, you won't have any problems. You will have brand new links you will have brand new text with your links in there, and if you remove the links from the pictures that are there and put new links behind the photos after you save the photos, you should have no problem whatsoever, and every single letter in there will be absolutely perfect, and there will be no problems whatsoever. I won't hear anything. It'll be great. Okay, so I think that's the end of the video, guys, and I wish you wonderful marketing, make thousands of dollars, and have a great time with your AWeber autoresponder. Signing off. This is Laura Morris. See ya. Bye-bye.